Hello, I'm Becky. I'm now in our factories. Recently, we produce many new products. Outdoor LCD drive-through kiosks. And these are triple screen, and those are single screen. We have different styles to choose. Our outdoor LCD kiosk is all use the aluminum profile. The aluminum profile is lightweight and waterproof. It can fit in many outdoor environments. You don't need to worry about the rainy weather. And by the way, this is the 75-inch outdoor LCD. This one is double side. You see, it is very colorful. It can attract the passengers very well, and it can see very clear even in the sunshine condition. And we have different cooling system. One is the air cooling system. We use the fans, and other one is the air conditioner. They both can cool down the internal temperature very well.